how to add before and after slider to Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a slider of a before and after image into your Squarespace website. How we can create it and also how we can add it. So on how to create this widget or this section, it is going to be needing a third-party website, or let's say here a contributor, which is going to be Elfsight. Elfsight is going to be a website that will help you to generate or create widgets for free, maybe a limited offer or a limited quantity of a free widget, which is going to be helping you a lot to integrate into your website in a form of codes, or let's say CSS codes, HTML codes, JavaScript codes, and etc. So what we're going to do is to head over Elfsight, create an account within the platform, and then what we're going to do next is to head over the widgets. So on the widgets, we're going to head over the tools. So let me inspect the tools real quick. So on the tools, we need to have before and after slider. As you can see, it is going to be at the 4th position on the tools. We're going to create one. I click on it. I think that I have already created one, but I don't know. We're going to click on create. So I have already created one. I'm going to click on view widget and we're going to click on edit. So this is going to be after you have created or clicked on create one. So this is the slider, this is the before, this is the after. It is going to be a comparison, as you can see, slider or something like that. So it is going to be up to you to choose that. So you can have some, as you can see, captions for the left side or the right side, as you can see, images and etc. Now, for the content, you can see that we have 2 pictures. We can have this picture, it is going to be named a set. This picture is going to be having a before image and also an after image. Each one of the images is going to be having this label for each one of them. Like this one is going to be this and that is going to be that. Doesn't matter. We can go ahead and modify the picture, replace it by a file from our computer or from a URL. Now, once we have did that, we're going to add the images and also the labels. And the caption that will be on the widget here, the bottom of the widget, is going to contain a text. For example, I'm going to have this like that, bold comparison of 2 products. So once we have did that, we can go ahead and change the layout of a list or a carousel. So normally it is going to be the same, but here the width is going to be in pixels. We can go ahead and control the width of it as a picture, as you can see, pixels. On the settings, we can go ahead and set up the image ratio, as you can see, as a square, a standard, vertical, 4:3, 4:3, vertical, widescreen, and etc. The direction is going to be horizontal or vertical. For this one, as you can see, the horizontal is going to be, because it is going to be the classic one. Labels position is going to be the bottom, center, for example, or the top. Set up a divider, interaction behavior, for example, for the hover or drag and drop, and etc. And at the end, you can go and set up also the styles. Now, you have set the styles. You can put a background, for example, a color background, an image background, transparent one, labels, as you can see, captions, controls, and etc. When you finish everything, you're going to click on publish. So I have clicked on published. We're going to click on close and click on install. Once we have clicked on install, you're going to find embed code. Click on copy. And we're going to head over Squarespace, set up our account or connect or log in into your account. Then you are going to select the website. Once you have did that, what are we going to do next? Click on websites click on edit button. We're going to be on the website itself. Now we're going to scroll down until we are going to add a new section between two sections. Choose wisely the placement of this. As you can know, a section. I'm going to add it here. We're going to create a blank section, and this blank section we're going to add the code for it. How we can do that? We're going to add block. From this block we're going to have two choices, either embed or code. I'm going to choose code, and we're going to put it like that. Place to the middle, give it a space, click on edit, the mode here, paste your code, wait for a few seconds, preview in safe mode, and here you go. So as you can see, it is going to be a little bit on the edge here because we do need a premium plan to view the widget as it is, and it is going to be something like that. That was pretty much it for today's video. Do not forget to set up your subscription correctly. So I'm going to try and do something else like having an embed, and we're going to try to put a code snippet. So we're going to paste our code, preview in safe mode, and see. So let me try. It is going to be the same thing. So I do not want to have this scrolling bar. But this is the problem with Squarespace. So I have noticed this type of problem with Squarespace and not another platform, but it is going to be a doable thing or something that you can handle if you have your subscription right. So that was pretty much it for this, as you can see here, widget. You can go ahead and add this widget not only for Squarespace, but any type of websites that you own, like, I don't know, here, Wix website, WooCommerce website, Shopify store, or whatever, and it is going to be the case. So let's click on save here, click on exit, and see the preview. So normally it is going to apply this like that. So we have no longer a problem here, and it is going to be something professionally made. So the issue is gone by saving the settings and exiting the editing mode, and it is going to be something like that. So how cool it is. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.